What's up, Electro Drive News fam? Get ready, because the news cycle is absolutely exploding today, and we've got the inside track on the developments that are going to shake things up. The pace is relentless, the stakes are high, and if you're not plugged in, you're missing out. We're diving headfirst into a world of incredible breakthroughs and strategic moves that could redefine the landscape. From seismic shifts in the market to game-changing product updates, buckle up because this is the information you need to know right now. We're talking about signals that could indicate major comebacks, innovative brand strategies that are about to be unveiled, and the critical numbers that every investor is watching. Don't blink, don't look away, you're about to get the unmissable updates. Stick around because the future is happening fast and we've got the front row seats. First up, we're tracking a major technical signal that could point to a significant recovery for a key player in the electric vehicle market. Is this the moment they break free from a long downturn and set their sights on new highs? We've got the charts, we've got the data, and we're breaking down what it all means. Then, get ready for a brand new facelift announcement that's just around the corner for a popular crossover model. What subtle changes are coming, and how will they impact its position in the market? We'll also be dissecting the latest delivery numbers that have investors on the edge of their seats, trying to decipher the real demand story. And finally, we're analyzing the latest stock movements and what critical price points traders are watching for a potential surge. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. A crucial turning point for NIO. After enduring a significant downturn that has lasted for nearly 4 years, the automotive giant NIO might finally be exhibiting promising signs of a turnaround. Recent technical indicators suggest a potential shift, capturing the attention of market observers and traders alike. This development comes at a critical juncture for the company, as it seeks to regain its footing in a highly competitive landscape. The anticipation is palpable as investors look for concrete evidence of sustained recovery and renewed growth. Could this be the beginning of a new chapter for NIO, marked by a return to its former strength and market prominence? The signs are certainly intriguing, and we're here to break down exactly what they mean for the future of the company and its stock. The market is buzzing with speculation, and for good reason, as this technical signal could be a harbinger of significant positive momentum. NIO's stock achieved a significant milestone this past Wednesday, closing at $6.51, marking a 2.68% increase. More importantly, this closing price positions the stock above a critical technical benchmark that has remained elusive for an extended period. For the first time since its sharp decline commenced in 2021, NIO has successfully closed above its 20-month exponential moving average, EMA, a technical indicator that often signals a shift in long-term trends. This achievement is particularly noteworthy, as the 20-month EMA, situated at $5.77, has historically served as a pivotal level for NIO, acting as a key indicator of its market performance. During periods of upward momentum, maintaining a position above this average has historically correlated with positive future performance. Now that NIO has reclaimed this level, the technical outlook for the stock appears considerably more optimistic. Traders following specific strategies, like the one highlighted by trader at JDB Trading, have identified this potential reversal, suggesting entry points around $4.87 last month, with a recommendation to maintain wide stop losses below monthly lows to avoid premature exits during volatility. This approach emphasizes allowing trades sufficient room to develop, thereby maximizing the potential to capture significant upward movements. The 20-month simple moving average, SMA, at $4.72 provides an additional layer of support, reinforcing the bullish sentiment as long as the stock remains above these key levels. The prevailing trading strategy suggests maintaining a long position as long as NIO stays above the EMA 20, with protective stops placed below the monthly lows. If this upward momentum proves sustainable, projections indicate a potential climb towards the $8 to $10 range within the coming months. However, the outlook remains contingent on NIO's ability to maintain its current position. A failure to hold the $5.77 level, or a subsequent drop below $4.70 could quickly invalidate this bullish reversal narrative. The market is keenly observing whether NIO can sustain this upward momentum, with many analysts pointing to the break above the 20-month EMA as a significant positive signal. The community is abuzz with discussions about potential entry points and target prices, reflecting a growing optimism around the stock's prospects. Hold onto your hats, because this technical breakout could be just the beginning of NIO's comeback story. Next, we're shifting gears to a brand that's making waves with its upcoming model refresh, and the details are starting to emerge. Onvo prepares for L60 facelift amid strong order growth. The automotive landscape is constantly evolving, and brands are continuously seeking ways to enhance their offerings and maintain market relevance. In this dynamic environment, NIO sub-brand Onvo is gearing up to announce a significant update to its L60 crossover model. This strategic move comes at a time when the L60 has demonstrated remarkable performance in terms of order volume, signaling strong market reception and consumer interest. The impending facelift is expected to further bolster the L60's appeal and solidify its position in the competitive mid-size crossover segment. This proactive approach to product development underscores Onvo's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction, aiming to deliver vehicles that meet and exceed evolving market expectations. The anticipation surrounding this announcement is high, as it represents a key step in Onvo's growth trajectory and its ambition to capture a larger share of the electric vehicle market. The details of this refresh are closely guarded, but the promise of very soon suggests that an official reveal is imminent, potentially reshaping the narrative around this promising new brand. Fei Shen, the chief of the Onvo brand, recently shared insights during a media Q&A session at the Chengdu Auto Show, highlighting the brand's operational focus and future product plans. He acknowledged that while increasing production capacity is a complex, systematic project, requiring meticulous coordination across factories and suppliers, Onvo is actively working to optimize its output. Shen emphasized that significant adjustments in a short timeframe present challenges due to the inherent business inertia of an established brand. He noted that changes are not instantaneous, and the brand's trajectory is influenced by a multitude of factors beyond individual leadership changes. This perspective emerged following the brand's strategic decision in early April to replace its former chief, Alan AI, who oversaw a period where the brand missed key sales targets for January and March. Shen elaborated on the logistical intricacies of scaling production, explaining that with substantial capacity already planned, rapid increases are constrained by the need for synchronized supply chain support. He clarified that despite the L60 and L90 models being produced in separate facilities, they share common equipment systems, indicating a degree of interdependence within the supply chain. "We are trying from all aspects to continuously push forward, raising the production capacity of both the L90 and the L60," Shen stated, underscoring a unified approach to capacity enhancement. Regarding the L60 specifically, Shen confirmed that a minor facelift is indeed planned and will be announced very soon. He assured that the vehicle has been developed to an advanced stage, possessing distinct characteristics such as a notably spacious second row, a feature uncommon in many large SUVs. While minor, localized adjustments may be introduced, Shen advised potential buyers not to delay their purchase decision, encouraging them to buy the 60 now, buy the 60. The Onvo L60, unveiled in May 2024, is built on NIO's advanced 900V high-voltage platform, boasting a drag coefficient of 0.229, claimed to be the lowest among production SUVs, and a CLTC efficiency of 92.3%. Initial sales in September 2024 showed strong promise, with Deutsche Bank estimating over 30,000 firm orders by September of the previous year. However, the latter half of 2024 and early 2025 saw a slowdown, with cancellations leading to missed delivery targets. Despite these challenges, order numbers have rebounded, with August bookings showing a 30% month-on-month increase, attributed to strong showroom traffic following the launch of the larger L90 model. In a separate strategic adjustment, The Onvo L80, initially slated for a late 2025 launch, has been rescheduled to 2026, allowing Onvo to concentrate its resources on key priorities, with the L90 now being the brand's primary short-term focus. The L90 itself has achieved significant traction, surpassing 10,000 units in deliveries by the opening day of the Chengdu Auto Show. Market sentiment appears cautiously optimistic, with observers noting the strong order rebound for the L60 and the successful ramp-up of the L90. The strategic focus on these key models is seen as a positive sign for Onvo's future growth. This strategic refresh for the L60 is certainly one to watch, as it aims to build on recent successes. Now, let's dive into the crucial delivery numbers that investors are scrutinizing closely, especially after the L90's impressive performance. NIO's August deliveries under investor spotlight amidst Onvo L90 success. As the automotive industry navigates a period of intense competition and rapid technological advancement, investor focus sharpens on key performance indicators that signal a company's market health and future potential. NIO Inc., a prominent player in the electric vehicle sector, is currently under close observation as its August delivery figures are set to be released. This scrutiny intensifies following the notable achievements of its sub-brand, Onvo, particularly the stellar performance of its L90 model. The market is keenly awaiting these numbers, seeking to gauge whether NIO can sustain and accelerate its demand growth in line with escalating expectations. The ability to meet or exceed these projections will be critical in shaping investor confidence and influencing the company's valuation in the coming period. The interplay between the core brand's performance and the burgeoning success of its sub-brands presents a complex but vital narrative for understanding NIO's overall strategic direction and its capacity to thrive in the global EV market. The upcoming delivery data will provide crucial insights into these dynamics, offering a clearer picture of NIO's operational momentum and market penetration. NIO Inc. NIO shares experienced a dip in pre-market trading on Friday, despite positive news regarding its Onvo sub-brand's milestone achievement at the 2025 Chengdu Auto Show. This pre-market weakness signals investor caution ahead of the release of NIO's August delivery figures, with particular attention on whether the company can maintain its demand growth trajectory against heightened expectations. Adding to the narrative, reports indicate that Onvo's flagship electric SUV, the L90, has surpassed its internal delivery targets for the month, marking a significant accomplishment for the rapidly expanding brand. This positive development was confirmed on the opening day of the auto show, where Onvo brand president Shen Fei announced that L90 deliveries had reached 10,000 units, setting a new monthly record for the model. The milestone vehicle was personally handed over by NIO co-founder and president Li Hongqin to renowned Chinese actor Gu Tao at the event, underscoring the brand's growing visibility and market presence. The success of the L90 builds upon the foundation laid by the L60 midsize SUV, which commenced deliveries in late 2024. Onvo's previous monthly delivery high was just over 10,500 units in December of the prior year. At the Chengdu Auto Show, Onvo also unveiled a 7-seat variant of the L90, a strategic move designed to broaden its appeal to larger families and a more diverse customer base, further enhancing its market reach. In a parallel development aimed at strengthening its core product offering, NIO has reportedly standardized the 100 kWh long-range battery pack as standard equipment across all its main brand models. Previously, the entry-level option was a 75 kWh pack, with extended range available at an additional cost. This upgrade, which applies immediately to the entire NIO lineup including the ET5, ET5 Touring, E6, EC6, ET7, and EC7, is being implemented without any changes to the existing pricing structure, thereby offering enhanced value to consumers. By simultaneously boosting Onvo's delivery records and upgrading its core vehicles with extended-range batteries as standard, NIO aims to solidify its competitive position within China's dynamic EV sector. The standardization of these more powerful battery packs is a clear signal of the company's strategy to improve affordability and consumer appeal. while the rapid scaling of the Onvo brand highlights its significant potential as a key driver of future growth for the NIO Group. Despite the positive operational updates, NIO shares were trading down by 1.08% to 6.44 in pre-market trading at the time of reporting. Investor sentiment remains mixed, with the market weighing the positive news from Onvo against broader concerns about demand sustainability and the stock's pre-market performance. Analysts are closely watching the upcoming delivery numbers for confirmation of the company's growth momentum. These delivery figures and strategic battery upgrades are pivotal for NIO's market standing. Now, let's turn our attention to the technical charts and see if NIO's stock is poised for a significant upward move towards that $7 target. NIO stock eyes $7 after technical breakout. Can momentum hold? In the fast-paced world of stock market analysis, identifying key technical breakouts can offer valuable insights into potential future price movements. NIO, the Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer, has recently captured the attention of traders and investors with a decisive break from its prolonged downtrend. This resurgence in technical strength comes after a period of considerable decline, raising a critical question. Can the bulls maintain this newfound momentum and propel the stock towards higher valuation targets? The market is abuzz with speculation as technical indicators suggest a potential shift in trend, offering a glimmer of hope for shareholders who have weathered the recent downturn. The ability of NIO to consolidate its gains and push past key resistance levels will be closely monitored in the coming days and weeks. This analysis delves into the critical support and resistance levels that traders are watching, providing a clear picture of the potential scenarios that could unfold. Understanding these technical dynamics is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the complexities of NIO's stock performance and capitalize on potential trading opportunities. The chart patterns are telling a story, and we're here to decipher the narrative for you. NIO stock has experienced a significant upward surge, breaking free from its long-term downtrend pattern. The price action saw the stock jump to $6.51 before experiencing a minor pullback to $6.26, currently consolidating above a crucial support level at $6.30. This consolidation phase is being closely watched by traders who are targeting $7 as the next major resistance level. Trader analysis, such as that provided by At the Value Trade, suggests that this breakout marks the commencement of a fresh bullish phase for NIO. The clean break above the previous trendline, followed by a healthy pullback, is seen as an attractive setup for traders looking to enter or add to their positions. The technical indicators for NIO currently display strong upward momentum, although the stock remains susceptible to elevated volatility. Key levels that traders are advised to monitor closely include support at $6.30, with a secondary support zone identified between $4.54 and $4.30, where major moving averages converge. A failure to hold the $6.30 level could trigger a correction towards this cluster. On the resistance side, the primary target is $7. The current chart structure indicates that the bulls are maintaining control, provided NIO can sustain its position above the $6.30 closing price. While the recent rally is encouraging, analysts suggest that NIO might need to consolidate further before attempting another upward leg. A firm hold above $6.30 would serve as confirmation of the bullish momentum, setting the stage for a potential test of the $7 resistance level. Conversely, a breakdown below $6.30 could lead to a retest of lower support levels. In a more adverse scenario, if selling pressure intensifies significantly, a deeper decline towards the $4.30 support cluster or even lower levels around $3.29.02 remains a possibility. The market reaction to this technical breakout is one of cautious optimism, with many traders positioning themselves for a potential rise towards the $7 mark. However, the importance of holding the $6.30 support level is universally acknowledged as the key determinant for the continuation of this bullish trend. This technical analysis highlights the critical levels to watch for NIO's next move. Now, let's wrap up the day's essential updates with a quick recap of all the major stories we've covered. And that's a wrap on today's electrifying updates. We saw NIO's stock signal a potential recovery, breaking above a key technical level. Onvo announced an upcoming facelift for its L60 model amidst strong order growth. NIO's August delivery numbers are in focus after the Onvo L90's impressive performance, and NIO stock is targeting $7 after a significant breakout. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more, hit the notification bell, drop your thoughts in the comments, and follow us on all social platforms to stay connected. We'll see you in the next one.